Yeah, I should like to see.
Snow! What do you think? This is the first snowfall that you're walking in. Last year, you couldn't even stand yet.
I know. Remember that? In February, it was so much snow. Like, we had snow like above the trees. It was crazy.
Oh, yeah.
I wonder if we'll get a snow like that this year. If we do, I'm sure it'll be in February or March. Like last year.
Tree. Yeah, that's the tree. What do you think? Do you like the snow? You're just watching Daddy shovel it. Go get it, go get it. Go get it.
Get it, bud.
Go get it.
Get it. You want to shovel?
He doesn't have the like... he doesn't have like the thumbs in those gloves.
Daddy will help you. Push. Push. He's like, these gloves are like wearing boxing gloves. And so